Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Cash Capital. We finally closed out Walmart Put Butterfly for a solid 195% return. We were risking $180 on it and made a little over $750 in profit on it. And so it was a pretty good trade. A solid 4-to-1 risk reward. And if you haven't seen the original video on why we entered the trade, go ahead and click right there and we can watch that video first and you can understand why we entered the trade, and then come back to this one and you see how it all played out and why we exited. But don't forget to subscribe before we continue on, and let's dive in. Alright guys, here we are in my trading journal. Off to the left right here, you can see where I had a closed gross P&L of 762 and a gross return of a 4.25 return. After commissions of $32, my total take home was roughly $730 after only risking $180. So, and right here is the reason I entered. And like I said, if you haven't seen the other video, go ahead and check it out. I'll put it again right there on top right of your screen. That's your chance. Your last chance to go do it right now. So, like I said right here, I was entering and I saw this open interest. That's what led me to enter the position. It's all in the other video. So I entered the position for $1.17, which is these top three right here. That's when I opened it. And then I scaled out, closed half the position for $2.50. So a little over 100% return. And then I closed the last half yesterday for $3.46, if I remember correctly. And so that's a 195% return total over the whole thing. And let's go into why I closed it. So here is the daily chart. The daily chart, you see the arrows at the top where it says 121, the red one, and then the green by 119, this area. So that's the day I entered the position. And then I put my stop at 121, that bar is high, expecting it to go down. And you see since then it went up and went all the way down near my target of $115. Now, why did I decide to close it out yesterday? Well, it was near 115, the market's hitting all-time highs, so I'm going against the market trend right now with this trade. So with it going against the current market and it's near my target and it was already a 4-to-1 risk reward trade, I was happy to close the position. But there's one more reason why I decided to close it. Alright, now there's another thing I want to show y'all why it was a good reason to exit the trade. So if you look right here at 115.50, showed as resistance, which then became support, and then support, and guess what? Here we are, hitting it again. So, that being said, I'm already near my target. I'm up 195% on the trade. Solid 4-to-1 risk reward on the trade. It was just time to close it, because at this point, I'm thinking it very well may just bounce. So, as you see, it came up here, and then we're back down. Then we went back up for a little bit, and then we went back down. And then we're back up, and then halfway down, up, and now back down. And now, we're probably going to bounce a little bit. So, that being said, it was just time to close, take my profit, walk away, roll into the next trade. Now, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment, subscribe to see my next video, and if you want, if you still have more time on your hands, go ahead and watch one of these other videos. Pick any of one of them. They're all full of great content. Well, thank you very much and have an awesome day.